My temp rapidly spikes to about 275. Is it a vapor lock?
So I'm guessing what that means is the digital readout on the heater is spiking to 275. What I'm going to guess that is not a vapor lock, but a plug somewhere. Something's happening. Either your bypass inside the heater is not bypassing properly, and all of a sudden it's the bypass is opening and all the water is going out and not going through the heat exchanger, which means the heat exchanger would be heating up. Another possibility would be that your heat exchanger is calcified on the inside as well. So if water's not running through it, but the heat is there, the thermostat's picking up the heat, and so it's likely a blockage somewhere that's causing that. Because I certainly know we've had over the years many cases where when there's a secondary bypass put in, and part of the water is not even getting into the heater. As it goes into the heater, there's also a bypass, because when you send your water from your pump and filter into the heater, 80% of it does not go through that heat exchanger. It bypasses out. But if that heater is running and all or most of that water is going through that bypass and not getting into heat exchanger, that's certainly one thing where you'll see the level spike up and down with the thermostat. Those would be my suggestions, and certainly somewhere to look.